Let's try to sample that bourbon, huh? Yeah? Which one is your favorite? Oh, that's good. Spicy? No, no. That's good. I'll come right back. Hey, do you have any Kung Pao Kitty? Kung Pao Kitty? Kung Pao Kitty, you have any? Yeah, honey, okay. Let's try this one, eh? Which one's your favorite? Let's try this one. Awesome. Oh, that's good. I like this. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll eat it. I'll be right back. You have spicy kitty? Yeah, let me get try it. Can I try? Do you have an orange kitty? Yeah, can I try it? I like to try that right now. Oh yeah, meow. That was good. That is good, meow. Meow, that honey is good. Meow. Woo.
Okay, I'll try honey.
I just wanted to try the General Tso meow and then I was gonna buy
The
it.
last one. I know you send over there to me, no people will come in here.
What, who is it? Me? What was that? What?
My friend, glasses.
Yeah, I'm ready to order. I'll do 5 total. 5 boxes.
People coming, just send the people with you.
What'd they say?
Like the glasses.
What else?
I'm coming. Only sample. Only sample.
Yeah,
I thinking you, the same.
I got you. See you. Bye. Yeah, yeah. So you want to play a trick on your friend using a fortune cookie. So that means you probably want to change the fortune out of your fortune cookie, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you're going to need is a damp paper towel. Make sure the paper towel is damp. Your fortune cookie, the fortune that you created. If you want to add something more bangarang, like a wedding ring for a fake proposal, you can put that in there. Some tweezers to remove the fortune from this fortune cookie, and a lighter so you can seal your bag up so no one will know that it was open before. You're going to take the tweezers and you're going to carefully remove the old fortune. Vamonos. Then you're going to wrap the cookie in a damp paper towel. You're doing this because you're going to put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. You're putting it in the microwave for 20 seconds because the moist paper towel is going to make the cookie softer so you can open it and insert your own fortune and whatever else you want to add to it. But you only have like 10 seconds to do it, right? Before it hardens back up and you won't be able to adjust it. So you gotta quickly open the fortune cookie, insert your fortune, insert your wedding ring or whatever else you want to put in there, and then mold it back to its original shape, and you're good. Now you got your fortune and the wedding ring, whatever else, in your cookie. Just put it back in the bag, as if it was never opened. You're gonna take a lighter and you're gonna seal it. So you're gonna carefully just kind of like melt the edges, squeeze them together. Boom. You got a fortune cookie, you created it, you did it, you can make a joke with somebody. I mean, it's just awesome. It's an original, fun way to have fun and make a joke with your friends. Enjoy!